It's hard to believe, but we're down to just 8 weeks before Christmas. Philip Griffith here, and I've got another heartfelt gift idea for you: restoring an old family photo. If you're looking for something truly priceless to give this holiday season, a restored photo could be just the thing. Maybe you found an old photo that's faded, cracked, or torn. Or perhaps a relative says, "I remember that picture of our parents or grandparents," but when you finally locate it, time has not been kind. Restoring that photo can bring those memories back to life, and gifting a beautifully restored image can be an incredibly meaningful way to connect generations. Here's how it works. We scan the damaged photo, restore it digitally, and provide you with a high quality restored digital copy as well as a beautifully printed version. This way, you can display the restored copy without worrying about further damage to the original. It's like giving your family a little piece of history wrapped up for the holidays. Restoring a photo like this makes a great gift, not just because of the image itself, but because of the stories and memories that come with it. It's a way of preserving your family's legacy and passing it on for years to come. Do you have an old photo that's seen better days? Or have you come across a family heirloom photo that others would love to have, but it needs a little TLC? Ask me any questions about digital photo restorations in the comments. I'd be happy to help. And remember, at PSG Photo Solutions, we're here to help you use your photos to tell your story so they last for generations. Let's make this holiday season one filled with cherished memories.